Hello, smart community! We are going to discuss today exponential growth and decay application for population, investment, medication, and patient problems. We will use the following formulas. Exponential growth formula, y equals a 1 plus r to the t, with y is the final amount, a is the initial amount, rate r, and t is time. We will use exponential decay formula, y equals a times 1 minus r to the t. With the same situation, y is final amount, a initial amount, r rate, t time. So for decay, we will use minus inside parentheses. For exponential growth, we will use plus and parentheses. The first example, we are going to discuss how we can use exponential growth and decay formulas for investment problem. First of all, we need to write given information. We have here increasing process. So for increasing process, we will use exponential growth formula, y equals a times 1 plus rate to the t. After we have here rate equals 11.1%. We need to convert decimals, it would be 0.111. We have here 10 years, so t equals 10 years. Current value 56,910. Current value, it is final amount. Y equals 56,910. We need to find initial value a. We can create equation now using our exponential growth formula. So y it is 56,910 equals, I need to find a, open parenthesis, 1 plus rate 0.111, t equals 10. So right side of our equation, it is multiplication. We have a times 1 plus 0.11 to the 10th. So we can simplify. We can write like 56,910 equals a 1.111 to the 10. Is multiplication. How we can find a? We remember we need to isolate a. So we need to divide it, both sides of our equation, by 1.111 to the 10th, 1.111 power 10. So we can cancel out on the left side of our equation, and we found a. A equals 56,910 divided by 1.111 with power equals 10. Using calculator, we can find approximately value. It would be 19,863.14. This is the answer for our example. The second example, we will see how we can find solution for problem about medication and patient. So we have here given information. So if the decay is continuous, so we have here continuous decay process. Continuous decay. For continuous decay process, we will use formula y equals a times e RT. After we have here 6 hours, so time equals 6 hours. We have here initial amount 800 milligram. So initial amount A equals 800 milligram, and final amount Y equals 228 milligram. We need to find rate, decay rate. So decay rate. Okay, the first step, we created equation using formula. So instead of y, we write 228 equals 800 times e times rate and times 6. So 6r. We remember we need to isolate r because we need to find rate. So we will divide both sides of our equation by 800. We can cancel out 800. Using calculator, we can find 228 divided by 800. It is equals 0.285 equals E 6R. Now we evaluate logarithm from both sides of our equation. So it would be ln, natural logarithm, and ln. Now we apply power rule for logarithm. So 6r goes to front of logarithm. So next step, we can write it would be ln 0.285 equals 6r times ln e. Ln e, it is 1. So now we have ln of 0.285 equals 6 times r. We need to isolate r because our goal rate. So we will divide it by 6, both sides of our equation. So r equals ln 0.285 divided by 6. Using calculator, you can find this value of rate, and we have rate equals negative 0.209211. We need to convert to percentage, but carefully, the percentage is always positive, for example, like that, because it represents the amount of decrease, not the direction. So we convert to percentage, and rate R equals 20.9211%. It is answer for your quiz or exam. Now we are going to discuss how we can use exponential growth or decay formulas for population problem. We write given information, so given information. What kind of process we have here? We have here has growth 2, 8 years of growth, so we have growth process. We need to use exponential growth formula. Y equals a 1 plus r to the c. After we have here originally number 30,000. It is initial value a equals 30,000. After we have here t years, so it is time t 8 years. And we have here population has growth too, so final amount y equals 56,303. We need to find rate r. The first step we created using given information, we need to create equation. So y 56,303 equals 30,000 1 plus r to the 8. We remember our goal r, we need to isolate r. So we have multiplication here. Next step, we divided by 30,000 both sides of our equation. Cancel out 30,000 on the right side, and we have 56,303 divided by 30,000 equals 1 plus r to the 8. Now, using calculator, you can find value of this fraction. So I found it would be 1.8767667 equals 1 plus r to the 8. We need to isolate r, so we will apply power 1/8 for both sides of our equation. Now we have 1.8767667 1/8 equals 1 plus r. Next step, we need to subtract 1 from both sides of our equation. Using calculator, we can find value of left side. So it would be r equals 0.081873. We convert decimal to percentage, and we have r rate equals 8.1873%. So it is answer. For example, like that, we found a value of rate. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.